Checo, 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 Checo. All right. Who's
Pit stop.
back? Who's back?
Tonto si paring Dax, oh.
Pit Stop
Tuwan-tuwa.
Pilipinas special episode. Guess who's back? Who's
Emerg-
back in the game?
Emergency episode to. Emergency episode kasi may malaking balita para kay paring Dax.
Today is 26th of August.
So, make it official, boy.
Uh-huh. So, Cadillac just announced their two official drivers. Sergio Checo Perez. And of course, wag natin kakalimutan si Valtteri Bottas.
Valtteri.
This is so not right. Why are you driving for Cadillac?
Yeah,
Valtteri.
Valtteri, this is so not right, Valtteri.
Oh, totoo yung mga rumors. Several
Oo.
months back, talagang umuusbong na yung rumors na yan na they're really having talks with Checo, and then lately si Valtteri Bottas nga. So I think it was a good choice for Cadillac that they were
Bakit?
able to get two very experienced driver kasi both of them, especially Checo, he has been in midfield team. So since Force India and then up to the Racing Point, he was really, kahit na nasa midfield team siya, he's fighting for like the top 5 positions sa races eh.
So, known si Checo for maximizing yung full potential ng mga kotseng nabibigay sa kanya.
Yeah.
No?
So he's known for that, and then his racecraft is one of the best during his prime in Racing Point. Even, the early years when he was in Red Bull. Yeah, kasi one of his talent is yung tire management nga eh.
Oh.
Yeah. So natitipid niya yung gulong niya kahit na medium tires, he was able to extend that as long as yung hard tires, no?
Gaano siya katagal na wala ba? Kailan siya natanggal sa Red Bull?
Towards the end of the year 2024, December, yeah. Yun, tinanggal siya. Before
So,
the season starts. Natapos niya yung season.
Natapos naman niya yung season. Okay. Drivers champions yung teammate niya, si Max.
Si Max.
Pero hindi
But
sila
then,
nag-constructors.
No. So he was really struggling sa number 2 car na yun. Pero he got paid.
Okay.
He got the bag. Kahit na tinanggal siya.
He secured the bag.
Uh-huh. So,
That's good.
meron siyang sweldo for the entire year na wala siya sa F1. Kasi nga, yun, may mga clause sa contract na he has to get paid.
Meksikano yan, di mo mauutakan yan sa ganyan.
Kaya yung Instagram niya ngayon, puro bakasyon, palipad-lipad, masarap ang buhay eh.
Tapos siguro dun niya rin baka magandang panahon din yun para mag-recharge ng konti.
True.
Hanggang sa bumalik yung itch.
Aha, yung
Diba?
hunger niya, no?
Yung hunger ulit. And now, perfect time.
Perfect
Wow.
time. New regulation, new team. Everyone has to start from zero, basically. Kasi, lahat sila talaga, unless may mga teams dyan na talagang prepared na, na long before, nagpe-prepare na for the 2006 regulation. One of those teams is yung Aston Martin nga.
Okay.
Matagal na sila nagpe-prepare. And then Mercedes lately, naglabas sila ng parang umabot na ng 400 kilometers per hour yung simulation. I don't know how
Wow.
true it is. Yeah.
Interesting dynamic to kasi Valtteri Bottas and Checo Perez, they're known to be like very good number 2 drivers, di ba?
Correct.
So ano sa tingin mo yung magiging syempre all we can do is guess, pero it's so interesting kasi first time natin makakita ng very well-known support drivers na magti-team up. Anong pwede nating i-expect sa Checo Bottas pairing na to?
I think because they were like number 2 drivers for 4 years for Checo, and then si Valtteri for his time in Mercedes, I think they know the
Tagal.
dynamics. So alam na nila na ganito yung play sa isang team, na may mga time na they have to cooperate with each other. May mga time na if they can race, they can race. So they understand that part. So wala na silang wala na silang yung parang impulse ba na parang I have to win.
Super
I have
big
to beat my-
egos.
Yes, correct. So I think, we can see more cooperation with the two of them than banging heads.
Oh, kasi
Yeah.
parang they have really nothing left naman to prove na talaga.
Correct.
Sobrang legends ng dalawang yan. 2 mature drivers
Uh-huh.
who are now going to lead the way for a brand new young racing team.
Correct. And then that's why I think that's the reason Cadillac chose the two of them.
So it seems na itong Cadillac na to, walang balak maging baguhan masyado. Pagpasok nila,
Correct.
they want to hit the ground running.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, yung gusto nila competitive agad.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? So kitang-kita sa supply nila ng parts, ng engine, ng drivers.
Yeah.
Oof. Exciting.
All right. So guys, that's the news for today. Checo's back. Next year. Checo.
So,
Checo.
alam na natin kung anong team ni paring Dax next year. Sure na yan. Wala nang magbabago dyan. Oh.
Nag-search na ako ng mga merch ng Cadillac ngayon. Meron bang...
Yung iniisip ko eh. Baka, ang iniisip ko, baka pag nagsimula yung episode na to, baka hindi na Red Bull yung suot mo, baka naka-Cadillac ka na agad, ha? So may nabili ka ng Cadillac na number 11. Antindi
Punta ako
mo.
sa dealership ng Cadillac, bila ko ng t-shirt.
Oo. Cadillac agad. Baka nagpatahi ka pa. So, salamat sa pagsubaybay nyo, ha? Actually, anong oras na ngayon? Medyo late na ngayon.
Late na.
Oo, patulog na nga ako eh. Kakatapos ko na mag-master by Eskinol eh. May mga sikreto namin yung mga yan eh. Lumabas tong balita. So, kailangan nating ibigay ito sa mga F1 fans out there. Lalo sa mga baguhan na fans na kagaya ko. Salamat ulit, paring Dax!
Okay, salamat din, paring Chad. Pit Stop Pilipinas.
Until next
See you
time.
next time.